Normally, when you search for a job, what do? You create your resume, write a nice cover letter, document all your experiences and skills and educational background. Then, you use your contacts or friends to connect with the potential employers, or you use job portals and create a profile, then apply to number of job openings, right? But do you think that's sufficient to get the attention of the employer and land that interview? The answer is no. So, what should you do? Do you think it is possible that instead of you looking for the jobs, the employer search for you? So, in this lesson, we will learn some very effective steps which can make sure that you get discovered by the prospective employer. So, let's begin with our step number 1. Depending on your expertise and experience, make a list of prospective companies, irrespective of whether they are looking for a candidate or not. It is important that you list those companies too where there are no vacancies, and there you have your list of target employers. Step 2 is using the right keywords in your resume. Again, it depends on your expertise and your experience, and you must make a list of the right keywords which you are going to include in your resume. For example, if you are a software engineer in a tech company working in the product development, the keywords you may include are software development, product management, project management, product design, or leadership. These are the kind of relevant keywords you need to include in your resume so that if an employer is searching online for a potential candidate for any of these roles, your resume comes up front. An additional advantage using such keywords is that major job portals use filtering tools, and with the help of right keywords, your resume will come up. You can list down all your projects, publications, extracurricular activities, internship experience, seminars, etc. and find out those key areas where you want to grow and have developed relevant skills. You can list down the coursework you have taken, any additional certification, and any skills you have taught yourself. Step 3 is using keywords for relevant job openings. How can you find the relevant job openings by using keywords? It all depends on your expertise, background, and your experience. For example, if you are a software engineer in a service-based IT company working in the project management and you want to move into a product-based company, there are two methods to do the search. First is by industry and second is by company. For example, while searching by industry for the role of project head or project manager or product manager, you need to add the industry with the designation and at the end add job. This way all the jobs within the industry under that designation will come up. Second method is searching by company. To search by a company, you add the name of the company too, like project manager plus name of the company plus job. Step 4 is searching for the job through a recruitment agency. Recruitment agencies are popular channel for job search, and you must know which recruitment agency handles what sort of jobs. For that, you can again use keywords in the following way. You can write the name of the recruitment agency plus company name plus the industry. Doing that, all recruitment agencies handling jobs for that industry in that particular company will come up. Step 5 is making list of names and designation of the hiring managers. It is really important to know who is the hiring manager. So, to search for that, there are two methods. You will use LinkedIn for this. Method 1 is through the search bar. You can search by writing the designation plus company name. Doing that will give you the names of all the people within that company and designation. And method 2 is searching with name and designation through the company pages on LinkedIn. As you were told in step 1 that you need to make a list of all the prospective companies you want to join. All these companies have a LinkedIn page, and on the company page there are list of employees you can search for. You can find all the important people like managers, functional heads, etc. on the company page. This way, you can get the names and designation of the important people. Then step 6 is building connections through LinkedIn. How do you build connections through LinkedIn and with whom? Make a list which has all your prospective employers, their ex-managers or bosses, colleagues, and start connecting with them. This can be really helpful because your ex-boss might be working for one of the companies you want to join. So now you know how these 6 steps can help you start in creating an effective job search strategy. So pull out your pens and paper and start applying these 6 steps and start attracting the employers. And in our next video, we will discuss about a very important and crucial step of doing research on prospective hiring companies.